In this video, we're going to go over the enrollment history tab of your workflows. So this gives you a detailed history of every action taken within the workflow by the customer. So this is a great way to ensure that your workflow is working properly, as well as identify any issues that may have happened during the workflow process. So here you can select to view a specific date range. So I'm going to look at the last 30 days. And when you click on the date range, it's going to refresh your data here. And then here you can select to view different types of events. So you can do all events. Maybe you just want to see failed or finished, skipped, processing, any of those. You can select from here, and then you will see those show up in your enrollment history table. If you'd like to view a specific contact that has gone through the workflow, you can click on Select Contact and then select the contact that you would like to view. And then if you'd like to refresh this data to see the most recent, click on this refresh icon here, and that's going to refresh all of your data here. So looking at this table, you're going to see the contact's name, the date and time that they started this workflow, the current action that they've gone through on the workflow, the status. This is going to show like finished, skipped, failed, and then if there's a next execution within the workflow. And then here you have the execution history. So if you click on this here, this is going to show you your execution logs.